This is the receiver, and this is the transmitter, the push button. You can install the receiver with the desk base. Just place it anywhere. Also, you can use screws to fix it on the walls. It can be powered by the batteries and by the micro USB for 5 voltage. This is a battery inside by C2032 type for the battery. It has five functions. This power key. For this receiver, it has 5-in-1 multi-functions like welcome, doorbell, alarm, color lights, or lighting. Let's try.
Hello, welcome.
This welcome mode. It has 5 languages. This is English version.
Hello, 안녕하세요. いらっしゃいませ. 萨瓦迪卡. 您好，欢迎光临. Hello, welcome.
And it has 4 stages to set the volume.
Hello, welcome. Hello, hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Hello,
This doorbell function. It has 36 music to choose from. This alarm mode. If you press the push button, it will alarm 30 seconds. This is the light mode for the night. It has no sound. It's mute mode. It will flash with colorful lights. This lighting. The lighting will last for around 2 minutes.
Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome.